really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. 'Cause not a lot of guys are worth my time.
Good morning, you guys. So it's the day before Thanksgiving, and I am getting ready to go to the gas station. I thought I could make my acai bowl, but I left it out all night on the counter, so I can't even make that. So I might just go get me some coffee from Starbucks because your girl is hungry. And I think that's about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to my office today. I gotta take some product photos, and I forgot to grab my memory card or my SIM card or whatever you want to call it to upload my colorful Yoni gels, because I am having colorful Yoni gels. And I think that's about it. But I'm about to get ready to start my day, and I'll get back with you guys. All right, y'all, so I made an email campaign yesterday, and I'm gonna show you guys it, because I made two, one for, like I said, for out for, and yada yada yada. So this is the one I'm sending out for Black Friday. I just made it like real simple, not too much going on. So I put the first 10 orders will receive a free 2-ounce Yoni gel, and then I put don't forget to stock up on your favorite Yoni bars and Yoni gels, because that's like my #1 seller. And then let me scroll up. This is what I might send an hour prior, but that's right now, that's what I have planned. And then today I'm gonna send out a poll test for my customers, because you know people might be busy tomorrow with their families because it's Thanksgiving, to ask my customers like which Yoni gels are they gonna be grabbing, you know. So yeah, this all I have is just this, and then I have these two. Just this, that's just about it. And then I'm gonna just send out only my texts at midnight to let my customers know, and that'll be it. Okay, y'all, so I am done here. I done packaged my 2 orders, and I'm gonna go to the post office. Today was like really a short day. I was just basically making a poll for my Instagram story, and just put up a little quote, a quick post on Instagram. So this is what I put up on Instagram. If you're not following me, this is what I put up. So on my Instagram story, I put which color are you grabbing Friday, because like I said, I am giving my customers the option to pick which one. So these are all the color options right here. And then again, I went also on my page and uploaded this to let them know, like, you know, if you are the first 10 people to purchase, you will get an item for free. I think that's about it, y'all. I think that's it. But I'm taking Thursday off, which is tomorrow. I'm taking Friday off. I might come back here Saturday, I'm coming Sunday. Either or days I will be back here so I can get started on these orders. But also I am waiting on my oil to come, because I forgot to order one of my oils, and I ordered it yesterday, so it might not ship until Monday. Who knows? If it does, then we'll just have to wait on shipping orders, because I wanted to start shipping orders Monday, but the amount of oil that I have left, I don't think it will be enough, to be honest. So I'm not sure. Hey y'all, so I am at my office, and I'm getting ready to prep for shipping out the remaining of my Black Friday orders that I have. I think I got about like 70 left in the queue. So I wrote down everything to see how much product I need to make, so I don't want to make too much and just let it sit here. So I have about 60 Yoni bars, and I have 30 turmerics to make. And yeah, and I have a lot of large to make, you guys, but I don't think I'm making any Yoni gel today. I might make it tomorrow, because I have a lot to do. Like literally I have like a lot to do. So I have to make it crunch, because I have a nail appointment at 12:30, and right now it is 9 o'clock. So I have about 2 more hours here, so that's not gonna work for me. So I'm gonna come back here later on today, and I'm gonna make all my Yoni bars, because I have about in total, let me see how many loaves I have. Let me see how many loaves do I have to make. I have to make 14 loaves. So with me making all that, I'm not gonna finish. It's gonna take me about 3 hours to make it, and I don't want to be late to my appointment. So I'll do that when I come back. And then I think what I'm gonna start on before I leave is all the colorful Yoni gels, because I did give my customers the option to choose which Yoni gel they want. So I'm gonna probably make that today. I'm gonna make my body scrub probably today, and make my 1 ounce, knock out all the small stuff, so all I have to worry about is boxing my Yonis and my turmerics tomorrow. So I think that's about it, but I'm gonna get to work and I will chat with you guys later. Good morning, everybody. It's a brand new day. Y'all like my nails? Is it cute? I got holiday nails. They are so pretty yesterday. But anyways, back to my soaps. So yesterday I made about, I think it was 14 loaves of soap that I made. And then today I'm gonna do it all over again, but plus make oatmeals, because my microwave broke, unfortunately. It's not working, and that's what I use to melt my soap for my oatmeal only. So yeah, so it's gonna be a long day again, and today my goal is also to get all my orders packed, and then tomorrow ship them, and then try to clean my office, because I'm really trying to take Friday off. I do not want to work on Friday because I have things to do. So yeah, this is what we are working on. So I'm gonna get ready to cut them, and I'll be right back.
Never lie, I never lie, I never lie to you, baby. I never lie, I never lie. I always was real, baby. I never lie, I never lie, I never lie to you, baby. I never lie, I never lie. Baby, I don't like you, 'cause I get over you. On my own mess, you're the best. I can get this all out. See all the same more. Don't not cry, please. I don't want tears. You don't love me, so don't try. Do you still fight all your lies? I already know the story. You don't love me, so don't try. Do you still fight all your lies? I already know the story. It's a big error. Think about us. You're the one right, I'm the one who's wrong. It's a big error. It's a big mistake. I don't want to come back to the same path. I'm feeling 19. I don't want to go back. You're the big error. Never lie. I never lie. I never lie to you, baby. I never lie. I never lie. I always was real, baby. I never lie. I never.
You guys, I have the wrong AirPod that I brought with me, so it is kind of flimsy, like moving. But what I'm doing right now is making some body scrub. This is it right here. I make my body scrub from scratch because I like it better that way. So I make it from scratch, and I have about 8 to make. But the bad news is I don't think I'm gonna be able to make 8, because I think that I forgot to, you know what I did? I forgot to order some more. Fragrance oil, so I might not have enough, but we'll see. I thought I only had to make like 6, but I have like 8 more to make. So yeah. And then another thing is I had to use my stove, which is fine, to melt my coconut oil because my microwave broke. So I can't use my microwave at all. So I have to go buy one either tomorrow or so. So right now I'm measuring out my sugar to see how much I would need. What I'm gonna do next is add, this is my base right here. I wish I had my other tripod. This is the base, and I mix the fragrance oil in there, and then we are also going to add coconut oil to the base, I mean to the sugar. We might need to add more sugar, but I'm gonna mix this first. And I also like to hand mix my body scrubs. I tried to make it in the mixer that I have, but I didn't like how it looked, like the consistency, how it came out. It did not come out to my liking. So I'm just gonna stick with doing it by hand for now, because I like how it comes out. It's way more better, like the consistency. And I'm gonna show you guys once I'm done mixing. Guys, so it is mixed. It's supposed to look like this. So when you scoop it, it comes out. It's not hard at all. So this is one side of it, and these are my colorants that I'm gonna use, are these right here. So let me get started. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product. On here on the video it looks white. I don't know why, but it is green. And like I said, I like the consistency of this. Let me show y'all if I could get it together. So when you snatch it, I say snatch it, look, you see, I love the consistency. It's like a really good consistency. That's what I like about my scrub. That's why I'm glad when I made this. And then it's gonna get a little harder. It's not gonna be that droopy, but still, it's like a very good consistency.
Love again, notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it, but no one understands me. No, you're the only one who can fight it to another. I don't need anything to lie to you, babe. Patient love, oh my Kelly. How you been? It's my heart all the time.
So this is the final for the body scrub. Thank God I had enough to make. It smells really good. It's not too overpowering with the smell. So I'm gonna let this sit before I package it, and then yeah, so I'm gonna get ready to make some Yoni oils, and then I'll be back. Good morning, y'all. So it's a brand new day. Today is December 1st, and we were about to be done shipping off orders. I'm about to get ready right now. So the only thing that I didn't get to make was my brightening mask. I left out of here yesterday, y'all, at 7 o'clock, y'all. But I got like scared because, you know, it's dark. I'm the only one here by myself. So I was like, no, I gotta go home. So I went home. So now I'm back here early this morning. I forgot to stop by Walmart to get me a big box, because I do have a few people that order stuff that won't fit in my regular size boxes. So I forgot to get that. So we're gonna see how that works out. But yeah, we're gonna get ready to ship orders and finish this Black Friday sale and Cyber Monday sale and work on new goals. So I'm gonna talk to you guys later, because I have to like print them and still have to make products. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.